Good morning, y'all. This is Amy Raymond. For those of you who don't know me, I am a director here on Team Living the Pampered Life. Today, the Tech Tip Thursday tip of the day is how to create your recipe group or your VIP group. I call mine recipe group on Facebook. This is one of the first things that we encourage you to do when you first join our team. I know we've got lots of new team members, so I thought it'd be helpful to go ahead and cover this now. So let's just get started. Here I am on Facebook. This is just in my general news feed. I am going to go to groups over here on the left side under Explore. And I'm going to click on that. And it's going to take me to all the groups I'm in. Goodness gracious, guys. Look at all these. Including pending group requests. Sigh, I've got too many, more than I'd rather have. So anyway, all right, so it takes me here. This shows me everything I'm already a part of, my favorites and all of that. If you look up here in the top right, there's a green button with a plus sign that says create group. So we're going to click on that. And this is where you fill in the information for your group, okay? All that goes here is very basic, quick information. The name, and then you have to add one person to be able to start the group, okay? So just add your director or the person that recruited you. You don't have to worry about adding people that you don't want to see your group while you're still working on it, okay? So I added my sister when I first started and Jennifer, I think, and then they could give me opinions on how it was looking and if I wanted, if they had any feedback. This is pretty much all it takes to create it, right? So then we're going to just hit create. Oops, excuse me. So, and then it takes me to choosing an icon. This is less important and it can be changed later, but you're just going to pick something cutesy that you want associated with your group. I think there's like an apple. There's a little calculator that we use for our team group. Just look for something food related or whatever. I have a cup of coffee on mine. Click OK. And then it's going to take you to your group. So it's totally blank. There's nothing in there, right? How exciting. You get to start with a blank slate. The first place you're going to go, you can upload your photo here. So that's simple. You can just pick whatever photo you want from your library here. I'm going to try to go quickly so we don't waste time just looking at this part. And I'm just going to use whatever I've got on hand. So you can upload your photo. Sometimes it's tricky making sure it's actually the right size, so you may have to play with it here and there. And then you're going to edit the details of your group here. So you can edit group settings when you click on more with the little ellipsis and more. Edit group settings. Oops, I forgot to save my photo. Sorry. Save changes. All right, and then more, edit group settings. And here you can pick all the details of your group. You can pick a group type. Super simple. Is it buy and sell, travel, custom, project? I believe honestly, now I can't really remember what I chose, but I don't want it to just be buy and sell because that's not what it's about. It's about sharing recipes and information. So if these are my choices, I would click custom. And then you can add a description. So check out some of the other team members' groups to get an idea of what you want your description to be. I like to talk about sharing recipes and bringing families to the table with awesome products from Pampered Chef. Here you can write tags so that if someone was looking for tags, they could see different things that they might be interested in, that they might be looking for. So cooking, I like wine, so let's say food and wine, recipes, so you can go through here and you can pick whatever tags you would like, whatever your group wants to focus on. Try to find some tags that would match that. And then down here, you can customize the address. So the the web address is going to be whatever whatever Pampered Chef, whatever Facebook assigns to it, which is like random letters and numbers. But all you have to do here is type in the name of your group, and it will now be facebook.com/groups/ whatever name you choose. So a lot of these are taken, but this gives you an idea where down here now it has Amy's group right here instead of whatever the default is that Pampered Chef's going to give you. And then you can choose how, if you want to do membership requests, you can ask questions like, when's your birthday month, what's your hardest kitchen challenge, and then you get to gather information about people as they join your group. You choose the posting permissions. I only allow admins to approve posts. No, I'm sorry. Anyone in the group can post, but I have to approve my posts in my group. The reason is I had a lot of advertisement coming in and posting about leggings and things like that, and I like having the option to say yay or nay to that. And then the same thing goes for stories. I haven't had anyone try to post stories in my group, but I would also do the same approval there. And then I hit save. Sorry, all my notifications are coming up. And then I hit save, and there you go. That's your recipe group. Super easy, super simple. Don't stress creating the group. It is not hard. You can go and use content off of all of our groups. Just gather different things and get ideas and share recipes. And the whole point is that it's a great place to share information and recipes, and link your customers and your friends and family back to Pampered Chef. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I hope everyone follows this easily and successfully creates their group. Talk to you later.